Yeah, no, I was trying to think of what they're doing. That's all it was. No, okay, so I'm asking you, you sure you good for it, or do you want to get out and you? So neither one of us knew that the camera was rolling. Our daughter tricked us. This is behind the scenes. Your friends good for it. It's like I'm trying to.
You better repeat yourself. No, you're not adding nothing to what you're saying.
Okay, so yeah, I'm asking you if you built for it, and you say, yeah, you know, I'm built for anything. I'm a rider. I do whatever, ride or die. Just say, but anyway, yeah, when you say that, I'll be like, okay, because I'm worried about you out here in these streets doing what you do. Y'all really getting a good look at how we come up with these ideas for our videos.
We ain't did no videos in forever. You should have a whole bunch of video ideas.
Well, most of them are for at home though. That's the problem. Like the 10 and 1, the FBI one, we still ain't do. So I'm trying to brainstorm on the idea and she's trying to help. You busting me. Guess you could bust me again like you always. That's all.
Auntie Rennie was saying y'all should do the one whenever Mama comes up to the family picnic.
Yeah, they got the music.
Yeah, she was talking about it up there when I was
her walking up and come on after her like what you doing.
Or you could tell them to shut the music for a little bit just for the video. They'll do it.
Yeah. Or you could at least just have them in the background.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like they could, you could be walking up here and I see you walking up.
And you walk towards me.
Yeah, come out towards you. Like, what are you doing?
Okay.
Yeah, we just freestyle from that. So I didn't request it when I met you. No, I requested.
Okay.
Side chick.